Hey guys, it's Randy. I am here today to do an unboxing of none other than Distracted by Diamonds. I got the very new painting here. If I can get the glare off of there, called a Rocket Girl. She is a round and she is 50 by 64. And my box is pretty crunched, but I'm not super worried about it because anytime that I've gotten anything that's in a box like this, even if the box is crunched, it's not bad. So let's get into it. Per usual, you know, I want to know if you're having a good day. I hope you guys are all right. Things are well here. Mother-in-law is going to arrive shortly, so that is why I am trying to unbox this and get to the business with you. So let's get in here and see what we've got. So we've got the canvas. It's not in any type of bag or anything like that. What do we have in here? The little tray. Nothing else in there. So you get this nice little tray here with 5 slots. And you get, oh, there's ABs in here. You get the tool kit. As you can see through the plastic, you get a pad of wax, you get a blue pen, and you get a tray and a little skinny 4-placer. And then the canvas, whoops, is poured glue, so we can roll it back on itself. But before we do that, oh wow, they made that big. So here is the legend, and it's 21 colors, and we've got 1 AB in there. It looks like it's kind of a white AB. So you can see the symbols are really nice. I take this and stick it through my Xyron sticker maker, and that makes the paper into stickers so I can put it on my containers. So let's roll her back. We can get her straightened out a little bit. Like I said, it is poured glue, so that's nice. As you can see, Yasmin or Jasmine, I think it's Yasmin Castillo, is the person that created the image, and then Rocket Girl is the name of it, and Distracted by Diamonds is who put it out. Let's get you situated here. Let me see if I can get her to where she doesn't have quite the glare. That's a little bit better. I'll move her around so you can see her a little bit better. She's super cute. I'm not a huge color blocking fan, and as you can tell up in here, there's going to be a lot of color blocking. There's going to be some through here, but I think there'll be a good balance of confetti and color blocking, so I'm excited about it. So let's look at the canvas, and we'll look and see how the symbols look, because I know it's been hit or miss with the symbols. Looks like they're pretty good. Looks like they're pretty good. I don't see anything that really stands out to me. I know sometimes on the darker or lighter symbols it can be a little weird. That's kind of an interesting shape that's on the light blue there, but you can definitely tell what it is. So yeah, I think thus far everything looks good. You know, I use a light pad regardless, so I think with the darker colors that will definitely help. Let's go ahead and flip her over and look at the drills. These opened up. Not too bad of a crinkle there. And if you don't like it, what's wrong with you? Ah, okay, so we've got a couple that are cut off of the edge here. So we have our 550, which is like a purple color, real pretty. And then we've got one small pack of ABs, AB 5200. So as you know, in the DMC code, 5200 is like that white color. And I'll show you up close. So AB stands for Aurora Borealis. Basically, the drills just have that iridescent coating on them, and they pick up the colors around them. So it looks really nice. ABs are great. You know me, I'm extra, so I will definitely be adding some other ABs. Let's see here. Looks like we got 2 strips. So we've got 996. We have 3 bags of 3865. We have, 2 bags of 3865. We have 3 bags of 3864. We've got 2 bags of 3844. 3834. Y'all, I don't know what is wrong with me today. We have 2 bags of 996. We have 2 bags of 995. We have 5 bags of 820, which is like that dark blue. And we've got 819 and 818. In our other strip, it looks like we have another 550. I showed you the one that was cut off of there. We've got 350, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags of 310. We've got 309, 224, and 208. And then our last strip, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 796. We've got a 718, that's a real pretty pink, and then 601. So you can tell there's gonna be a lot of black and a lot of blues in here. Oh wow, guys, how did I miss this? So AB 996 is, 996 is actually an AB. You probably caught that and I didn't. So there's a very small amount in here, but that's really pretty. It's like a light blue. That's nice. So you got 2 ABs in here. I don't know why I thought there was only 1. So let's flip her back over. And sorry about the glare, you guys. It's so hard to do that in this room. Okay, well, I'll pick her up and I'll sort of show you. That way it's not blocked out there. So let's look and see what 996 is gonna be, that blue color, and we'll see where it goes. So 996 is going to be 9. So it looks like just up in the sky in little places, you're gonna have just dots of those blue ABs. There's just a little bit down here. Oh, and there are quite a few right here. And quite a few right down here. Is that right? Oh, okay guys, here's the deal. So if you look on here, you actually have 2 996s. You've got 996 that's number 9, and then you've got 996AB, and that's gonna be this swirly, can you see that? It's kind of swirly symbol. So let me take you back here. Basically, the 9s are just the regular 996. That confused me a little bit. So let's find those @ symbols, those other symbols. Okay, so some of them are going to be down in her dress. We've got just a couple sprinkled throughout here. And we've got just a couple sprinkled throughout here. And just a few through here. And just a couple right through there. None in her eye. So that's about it, you guys. There are not a whole lot of those. It's just gonna be in this sort of mid-tone blue area on her space costume, we'll call it. So then let's look and see where the AB 5200 is, because I think we had regular 5200s as well. So let's see where the ABs are. The AB 5200, it looks like just a dot. So you've got this star and this star. You have one here and one here. I think anywhere you have kind of these bigger stars, you'll have them. There are a couple in her helmet, right here, 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 and here. And that is all. Oh, my bad. You've got just a couple right here in the chest area of her outfit. But that's it. So a lot of the stuff in here is going to be regular 5200s. I'll probably put ABs in there just to kind of jazz it up a little bit. But yeah, you don't have a ton in here, mainly the big stars. So that's good. This one's actually regular 5200. So that's that. Let's see if she's sticky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's very sticky. That's nice. All right. So this is Rocket Girl. Let me see if I can make it to where there's no glare on her face there. And I think she's going to be really cute. Like I said, I think it's a good mix of color blocking and confetti. So if you're looking for something new and something to do that's not incredibly large, then check out Distracted by Diamonds Rocket Girl. You can find them on Etsy, and if you don't find any products on there, that's because she only lists twice a day. I don't think she lists on Wednesday, and I don't think she lists in the afternoon on, excuse me, Thursday. So you can go look at her Etsy shop, and it'll tell you the times that she lists everything. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.